What's up, you guys? So I look a little different. We're starting our video a little differently today. I never start my videos looking this fabulous, shall I say. I just got out of the shower. I body showered. My hair is dry. I have been seeing so many of these like transformation videos like going around on YouTube, and I was like, I want to do one. But anyways, I've been seeing so many people doing these like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour transformation videos, and I was like, oh my god, that will be so much fun, because everyone always says like I look so different when I actually do my makeup, which I totally do, just because without makeup I have like no eyebrows, no eyelashes, nothing, so I feel like that really changes the way that my face looks and stuff. So yeah, I wanted to do my own little transformation video for you guys today. I am sweating underneath this robe, if I am being honest with you guys. Oh my god. These lights in this robe, they just don't mix, so I'm gonna have to probably put on like the outfit that I'm gonna wear later. I'm doing this transformation because I'm going out with my friends tonight. Like, I'm actually getting off the couch and not watching Netflix for once on a Friday night, which is new for me. So I'm excited, and I am gonna be doing my hair. I probably won't show you guys that just because it's like super boring. All I do is curl my hair with a curling iron. I'm really not good at hair, so I'm probably gonna skip out on that and focus more on the like makeup transformation. But I did want to show you guys the very raw before, right out of the shower me. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. That would make my day, make my weekend, make my year, okay? And yeah, I'm gonna go do my hair and get out of this robe so I'm not profusely sweating, and we're gonna start the makeup transformation, okay? I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, hair is done. I'm not in a robe anymore. I figured I would show you guys what I used to do my hair. This is the curling iron that I use. It's from Hot Tools. It's like literally 10 years old, so the odds of you being able to find it is probably like 0, but I think this is like a 3/4 inch barrel. I don't even think it's 1 inch. You can literally see like dried hairspray on it, which is so cute. But yeah, this is like what I always use. It's broken, like this little part came off, so when I touch it to like open this up, I burn my finger every time, which is so fun. I should probably get a new one. But yeah, this is what I always used to do my hair, and like I said, I just curl it, so that's that. So I'm gonna get it out of my face, pin it back so we can start the makeup. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go in with the Farsali Skin Tune Blur. This is like a little dropper thing, and it's a really nice primer. I like the way it smells. Oh, and it just exploded. A lot of times this dropper thing doesn't work, so I honestly just go like this, but I'm trying to be cute and like actually use the dropper, but I normally just like stick it in there and go like this on my face, if we're being honest. I'm just gonna work that in. This is supposed to be like Facetune, like for your face. You guys will see that I still don't look face-tuned with this on, but it does help to like blur in the pores and stuff, and I don't know, feels nice, smells nice, so I use it. This hair might have to go to the back for a little bit, for a few minutes. All right, for foundation, Too Faced Born This Way. This is my all-time favorite. If you are new to my channel, I am shade Natural Beige, so I'm just gonna shake it up. I have like a glitter on my lip, and we're gonna go in and apply this. This is like holy, holy grail. I use this foundation literally every day. When I film, I try and like try new stuff, obviously, for you guys, because that would be so boring to just use the same thing over and over. But this is my holy, holy grail, and that's probably too much of it, but I figured, why not cake our face today for this transformation? Normally I only use 2 pumps of it, but, and I'm just blending it out with a beauty blender. I feel like this always makes a big difference too in my appearance, just because I don't self-tan my face, so my face is always a lot lighter than my body is. But this helps to like match my face to my body. And it might look a little dark now, but trust me, when we do concealer and powder and all that jazz, it all matches, okay? I always get people that like comment on my videos and they're like, oh my god, that doesn't match at all, and then they'll like re-comment and be like, oh wait, like I watched to the end and actually it does, and I'm like, yeah honey. But yeah, makeup is a process. A lot of times throughout my videos, like when I'm editing, I'm like, oh my god, I actually look crazy. Why would anybody watch me? And then like once we get to the end, it all comes together, you know? And by the way, this hand is like totally not self-tan, so that hand doesn't match. This one is a little more self-tanned. My problem is that I apply my self-tanner before I go to bed, and then I always like have to have my hands underneath my pillow. It's this weird thing, like I have to sleep like that. I like hug my pillow, and then I think like the self-tanner just rubs off. All right, so that is all blended. For my concealer, I love the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. This one is in shade Vanilla. This concealer is holy grail as well. And I'm gonna apply this. There are 2 different Too Faced Born This Way concealers. So there's this one, which is like the bigger, like fatter tube, and it's called the Sculpting. And then there's like the regular one. I don't like that one, so don't get that. Get this one, and this one is like amazing. Y'all will love it, I'm telling you. I'm gonna bring some down my nose just because I like to like balance out my highlight that I do underneath my eyes on the rest of my face. So I normally bring it down like my, what is this called again? Wow, worst beauty guru ever, I forgot what it's called. T-zone, T-zone. Oh, my brain today, I swear. All right, so that is that. I think I am gonna contour with it too, but I like to blend out my highlight first. I know some people do the contour first. I don't know. I do highlight. So I'm gonna just blend this all out real quick. Comment down below how long it takes you, like when you're going out with your friends. Like not on a normal day, but like, cause on a normal day it takes me 0 minutes to get ready because all I do is brush my teeth and like apply moisturizer. But if I'm going out obviously and I wanna like do my makeup, it takes me like an hour to 2 hours depending. So comment down below how long it takes you to get ready because I feel like it's so varying. Like people definitely could take like 3 to 4 hours, but then other people can like slay in 30 minutes. So I would love to hear how long it takes you to slay. Okay, grab my contour shade. My contour shade in the Born This Way concealer is in Butterscotch. Oh my God. The name Butterscotch always reminds me of my grandmother because growing up, she always had those butterscotch candies at her house and I was obsessed, still am. They're so good, but I like never buy them. But I would literally like always take them when I went to her house. My mom would be like, no, like none before dinner. And I'd be like, no, not listening to you, and eat like 12 of them and then not eat dinner. But yeah, that's what the word butterscotch means to me, my grandma. So I'm just contouring out my cheeks. People like contour out their whole face. I don't know. I really only do my cheek area. So it's up to your personal preference what you want to contour, but that's really all I do. And I actually don't even contour like with liquid products on a regular basis, but since we're going all out for this video, I figured I would. So I'm just gonna blend that out as well. And I really only use a concealer that's a couple shades darker than the foundation because I don't want it to be like too dark, and we are gonna go in with a like powder later to contour, so like I don't need anything too dark. It just helps to add a little bit more depth back into the face. So that's what I like to do. But in all seriousness, like if I'm actually like, I have to get ready, like not just brush my teeth and I have to actually do my makeup on the daily, I normally just do like foundation, brows, and mascara. That's kind of like my go-to for myself, and maybe some bronzer. So yeah, what do you guys do? Like when you have to, you know, look presentable, but you don't like really want to do like full beat, like what do you guys do to get ready? You can comment that down below too. All right, so that is all blended. We are gonna set with some powder. I'm just wiping my hands off on this because I get foundation and stuff all over my hands when I film. I get so many questions as to why I don't wear my wedding ring when I film, and it's literally because of this. I don't like to get my wedding ring all dirty and covered in foundation, so I don't wear it when I do my makeup, like ever, so I'm not gonna like put it on just when I'm filming to do my makeup. So yeah, that's why you guys don't see me wear my wedding ring in most of my videos, just because I don't wear it when I do my makeup, because I get my hands dirty. Okay, so for powder, I'm gonna be using the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder in the shade Butter. This stuff is actually like holy grail goals, okay? It's so good, I'm obsessed. So that's what we're gonna use to set our under-eyes today. And I'm just going to use this to set everywhere that we highlighted. What I really like about this powder is A, it smells so heavenly, but also it does a really nice job of setting the concealer and stuff, but also like continuing to brighten, because I do like a really bright and highlighted under eye. So yeah, this really, really does that, but it's not like too stark white, because some of them are too light and I'm like, no. And it doesn't give you flashback either, which is really good. I did do a full review on this and the Fenty concealer. The Fenty concealer wasn't like holy grail for me, but this powder definitely was. So I can link that down below. I'll put on the screen. You guys can click around and a little thing should pop up and you guys can check it out if you want after you watch this video, of course. Okay, and then to set my foundation and the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with the Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brighten in the shade Sand. I really like this. It's just a very light, kind of like natural powder, so I just use this to set my face so it's not like tacky, not really to give me any more coverage or anything. All right, now we're gonna move into brows, which also I feel like makes a big difference because my brows are non-existent with nothing on them. They're so light. I actually have like so much brow hair, it's just like translucent, which sucks. But I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl brow pencil in soft brown. This is one of my favorites. I am gonna start with this and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a deeper one to deepen up the tail, because I like to do like a really gradient brow, and on every video that I do, people comment and say that my brows are too light. So we're gonna make them a little darker today. All right, so I'm gonna just sculpt out my brows. I have to be honest, as part of my makeup routine, doing my brows is my least favorite part. I hate this. And yeah, I don't know. I've actually thought like very, very hard about getting my brows microbladed. just because like even when I'm not wearing makeup, like it will look like at least I have eyebrows. So I have actually been doing like a lot of research into that. So I'll keep you guys updated as to whether or not I'm gonna get it done. But I'm leaning towards yes. I don't know. I feel like it'll be really nice. I don't have any tattoos in my body at all. So that's kind of the only thing that holds me back, because I'm just like nervous about it, you know, just because it's not like I have any other tattoos and I'm just gonna go and like get a tattoo on my face. But apparently it's not like really a tattoo, and it only lasts for like 2 years. So like I guess if I hate it, I can just cover it up with concealer for 2 years, which doesn't sound appealing to me, but it's better than forever. So if any of you guys have any experience with microblading or any advice, I would love to hear that as well, because I'm a little torn. Like I've watched the videos where people are like, I totally regret getting microblading, or like microblade disaster, and I'm like, perfect. But obviously, I mean, I would do my research and everything to make sure I was going to somebody that was like good, but I don't know. All right, gonna do my other brow. They do say that your brows are supposed to be like sisters, not twins or something. I feel as though mine are more like distant cousins, but yeah. Okay, for my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Natasha Denona Gold palette. I swear I'm not that bougie. This is just such a beautiful palette and I wanna try it so badly. So I'm gonna use this. I did try this shade like a couple days ago. I just put it in my crease quickly, but I didn't really get to use anything else. So I'm gonna go in, I think actually with this shade down here first in my crease. So I'm just gonna bring this color like all over my lid, but definitely in my crease area too. I like to use more neutral colors on my eyes. I don't know, I just feel like it looks more flattering on me personally, but yeah, I'm basic, sorry. And I normally stick to like mattes and stuff in my like crease and stuff, and it's blending shades. And then I'll do like a more glittery, shimmery shade like on my actual lid. But as far as like everything else goes, I like to use mattes. And I don't actually normally do crazy eyeshadow either. Like I like to do drama with my lashes. Like some people do like tons of drama with their eyeshadow and stuff. I just like to do it with lashes. So I don't do like crazy stuff on my lids. I keep it more like lighter tones and neutral and stuff, you know, when I'm just doing my makeup for myself. Like obviously I do tutorials with more bold eye looks, but if I'm just doing my makeup like to go out, this is kind of what I stick with. Then I'm gonna go with this like mustardy kind of color right here. I'm gonna bring that into my crease as well. This is like literally the color of Dijon mustard. At least at my diner. This is the color of the mustard they give us. Oh my god, also, at the day I'm filming this on Friday. You guys will probably see this on Sunday. But Ariana Grande dropped 7 rings. That is the anthem. Oh my god, it is so stuck in my head. It's gonna be like every Instagram caption that I have for like the rest of 2019, I feel like, is lyrics to that song. I am so obsessed. Oh my god. And actually such a super random like little thing is that my grandmother is actually like best friends with Ariana Grande's grandmother, which is so weird. It's not the grandmother that she always like has like on her social media and stuff. It's not that grandmother. It's actually the mother of her dad. I don't know, honestly, but I don't think she's like as close with her, but that's actually one of my grandmother's really good friends, which is like so funny. But yeah, I know her grandma. And I'm gonna take this first shade that we use, or actually I'm gonna mix them both together. And I'm gonna bring that on my lower lash line just so everything blends with each other. When I first started doing my makeup, I used to really not put anything on my lower lash line, so my eye would be so like top heavy and I would have nothing on my lower lash line. It literally looked crazy, but I thought that I was so cute. And then I'm gonna go in with this golden shade right here all over my lid. With that on just a flat top brush, I did put a little Fix Plus on my brush, which is from MAC, just to wet the brush. You can literally just use water, but it helps the eyeshadow show up a little bit more pigmented. I'm just gonna press that on my lid. Okay, and then normally I will use the highlighter that I'm gonna be using on my face, just on my inner corner and brow. So I'm gonna jump into this little Lancome palette. This is the Starlight Sparkle highlighter palette. This is from their holiday collection. Ooh, this is well used, you can tell. I'm gonna go in with this golden little shade right here. And I might actually mix these two together and use that as my highlight. So just gonna pop that in here, just to really like brighten up the eye. And then right beneath the brow bone, because I like that to pop too. Okay, now for liner, before we do lashes, I want to do liner. Where did I put the liner? So I'm just gonna go in with this L'Oreal. This is just like a kohl liner. I'm gonna use this and just do a thin line on my lid. Normally when I use like super thick lashes, I don't do winged liner too. It looks too heavy on my eyes. So I'm gonna just go in and do a thin black line because I still need to have something down so we can like hide the lash band, you know? For my lashes, I'm gonna go in with the Icon lashes. These are in the style Taylor. They are so, so pretty. I do have a coupon code with them. I think it's Kelly. I think if you guys use code Kelly, you'll get a discount. I can update the description box, but I think that's what the code is. I'm like the worst YouTuber in the world. I never really push my affiliate links or affiliate codes or anything, but it does get you guys a discount, like a percentage off of their lashes. I really, really like them. All right, so just gonna pop these on the eyeballs. They're really easy to apply for how thick they are, which is one thing I really like about these lashes. All right, lashes are on. I'm gonna go in my waterline. I like to use this. This is from Tarte. It's the Fake Awake liner. It's like a champagne colored liner, which I like to use on my inner corner, or not inner corner, waterline. Instead of black, I don't know, it just keeps the eyes like open instead of closing them off. So I like to use this or like any light liner in this area. I always feel like I look so crazy when I do this on camera. And I make the weirdest faces. And for mascara on my lower lash line, I go in with the Estee Edit the Edgiest Up and Out mascara. This brand doesn't exist anymore, but this is my favorite mascara, and I bought a bunch of them before like the brand stopped existing. So I still have them. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I run out, because this is what I love for my lower lash line. And then I just use any really mascara for my upper lashes because we already have the lashes on there, so I'm just using it to blend like my natural lashes with the falsies. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this mascara. It's so good. I'm sorry that you can't get it anymore. Too Faced Better Than Sex is a really good second option though, and Lancome Me So Big, that's really, really good too. Those are like my two favorite that you can actually get. Okay, now to finish off with my face, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. This is well used, okay? It's very dirty. I use it literally every day. I'm first gonna go in with this bronzer in Tropic Like It's Hot, and I use this to basically bronze out my whole face. I like to like add a subtle kind of glow to my face before I go in and like actually contour. And this has like a little bit of like a sheen, a little shimmer to it, which I like too, so. Then to contour, I'm gonna go in with Benefit's Hoola. This is one of my faves. And I'm just gonna contour my cheeks. And then I'm gonna dive back into this Too Faced palette and go in with a little mix of both of those blushes. I don't like too much blush. Just a tiny little bit on my cheeks. And then for highlight, back into that Lancome palette, I'm gonna do just the gold one on my cheeks. And just use this to highlight. Okay, and then last but not least, we do the lips. So first I line, you know, gotta overline the lips. So yeah, I'm gonna use the NYX Retractable Lip Liner. This is in the shade Nude. This is one of my faves. Everything I basically use today is like a favorite, you know? So I'm just gonna line my lips with this. I overline the top of my lips a little bit, but not really the bottom. Okay. Lips are lined. Now for my lipstick, I really like this liquid lipstick. This is from Ofra. It's in the shade Sao Paulo. You guys can use code Kelly30. Oh, look at me with the 2 affiliate links in this video. Gosh, I swear. I really don't like you push them very much, but I do really like Ofra, and I do have a code with them. It's Kelly, and that will give you 20% off. So I'm just gonna go in with this. This is like my perfect nude shade. I'm obsessed. And it matches the lip liner really well. So I go in with this, and this is a matte finish, but I actually like a glossy lip. So I use this because I love the color, but then I go in with a gloss on top, which you guys will see in a second. The gloss that I'm obsessed with is from Tarte. This is the H2O gloss in the shade Sandy Toes. This is like my holy grail. So I'm gonna go in with this on my lips, just to make them nice and glossy. And that is everything. I can take out these little pins now and show you guys the final look. Hopefully these didn't crease my hair. I don't think they do normally. All right, so this is the completed look, the completed transformation. Ooh, cute, lip gloss on my teeth. Yep, that's the transformation comes with that too. But in all seriousness, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.